Hello, welcome to this video, dedicated about learning SketchUp. Imagine you're racing against a tight deadline, rushing to finalize your project. You're still manually moving doors one by one in SketchUp, and it's getting frustrating. Your fingers feel stuck to the mouse scroll, clicking, dragging, adjusting over and over again. It's annoying, right? Well, I've got a simple and efficient way to place doors in SketchUp without all the hassle. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to speed up your workflow and get it done effortlessly. Before diving into SketchUp, I always start by designing a house plan in AutoCAD. One essential habit I've developed is creating door blocks. This makes placement much faster and more efficient. To streamline my workflow even further, I rely on AutoCAD's tool palettes, allowing me to organize and access frequently used elements effortlessly. Now, keep in mind, this is just a simple house sample for this exercise. Today, we're focusing solely on doors, ensuring each one is placed correctly according to its location and size. Personally, I stick to 3 basic door sizes: 90 centimeters, 80 centimeters, and 60 centimeters for the toilet. This keeps things consistent and easy to manage across different projects. To speed up the process even more, I highly recommend adding dynamic properties to the doors, such as auto flip and rotation. These features allow for quicker adjustments and placement, making the workflow smoother and more efficient. Now save your CAD file, and we are now ready to SketchUp. Import the CAD file into SketchUp. One important thing is the units of the CAD drawing. Make sure to know the CAD units, if it is in meters or in millimeters. Now, then in SketchUp Import, select the units based on the CAD file to match the units. Next we do is edit the door blocks. Add a 3D parts inside of it. This will represent the door that is visible on 3D view. The door swing will also represent the door swing line, if on the floor plan view. By the way, I am using a plugin called Flex Tools. It really helps me a lot organizing my components and makes finding your components just by typing the name of the object. Now, we're going to place each object one by one into its corresponding block. It's important to be precise. Make sure not to mix up the door sizes. As you can see, the key reason for doing this is simple. When you edit a door block, it automatically updates all identical doors across the floor plan. This means less manual adjustment and a smoother workflow, ensuring consistency throughout your design. Let's get started. While inside the component, put the 2D lines into the 2D tag or layer. Don't forget that. It's important. Before moving forward, it's crucial to double-check that both the 2D and 3D elements are assigned to the correct tags or layers. As you can see, the doors have automatically positioned themselves in their respective locations, saving a huge amount of time in the process. Now, imagine applying this method across all levels of your project. The efficiency is incredible. This approach not only speeds up your workflow, but also ensures precision and consistency throughout the design. It's truly a game changer for streamlining architectural plans. Now, we've successfully set up a scene view of the floor plan without the 3D elements. This was achieved simply by turning off the 3D layer, leaving only the 2D swing of the doors visible. At the same time, we've also created a dedicated 3D scene view without the 2D layer, allowing for a clean and uncluttered visualization of the model. This separation of scenes makes it much easier to navigate between detailed floor plans and 3D perspectives, ensuring a smoother workflow. If you find this helpful, don't forget to share with others who might need it. Subscribe for more expert SketchUp tutorials. Thanks for watching this video.